Alright, guys. Alright, my people, what's good? How you all doing today? It's your boy Big Forex right here. Happy Sunday, happy weekend to you all. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Yeah, it's another new week right here. Another new week. Great opportunity for us to make this better. Alright. So how you all doing? So today, as you all know, if you're going to be watching this video on the YouTube, do well to subscribe, like, share, comment. All right, drop comment and follow me on my socials. I'm gonna be dropping everything. Link in the description if you wanna join my community where I drop free signals, trading tools, information that will help you in your trading journey. Kindly do well to check the link in the description below, my Telegram channel, right? The broker which I use, I'm gonna be dropping it also in the uh, link in the descriptions. Yeah, so guys, today we are going to be going ahead to analyze the market, all right, on what we are looking for the week. All right, so yeah, I'm not gonna spend much time. I'm just gonna go ahead, go straight to the point, and I'm gonna go straight to the point and just do what I need to do real quick. Yeah, and we are good to go. So yeah, so this is BTC Bitcoin. I'm just gonna quickly round it up here. Okay, so I'm on a weekly time frame now, and as you all can see, this week has been very what bullish. This week has been very what bullish. So this week started from this level, gonna mark it right here. And looking at this structure, we can see that it is taking a bullish structure, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. All right. Even the weekly on the weekly time frame here, the moving average is also showing us that price is on a bullish structure. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we can see that we are after a major pullback, price consolidated for like 2 months, March and April. Yeah, throughout the month of March, one, two, three, four. Throughout the month of March was consolidating. Then finally it broke out in this fourth week of April, right? Price broke out on this fourth week of April. So, sorry, yeah, broke out, then giving us this bullish engulfing stick candlestick. So now we are waiting for what next is gonna happen. Price is still sitting at a resistance level right here. I'm gonna go over to the daily for us to see what is happening on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, we all can see how price has been consolidating within this daily for the day. All right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days. 5 days. Price has been consolidating in this level, and we are sitting on the resistance zone. So likely we gonna see either price break above this side, continue to go up, or break below to drop down. So let me go to 4 hours time frame. So 4 hours time frame now, we all can see what is actually happening here. That we can see literally, we are seeing that price is taking a bullish structure, all right? But we just want to confirm, the movement. So at this point now, where the price is, we just want to avoid it. Okay, sit back and watch what next happens. We don't want to wait for price to break above and give us a retracement to continue. All right, or price break below, give us a drop down to the zone. So either of them will happen. Okay, either of these two you want to see right here. So what I am more um I am more of the buying side than the selling side. All right, I'm more with the buying side than the selling side because of my higher time frame is showing me bullish structure, meaning that we have more dominant buyers in the market. Excuse me. We have more buyers in the market, all right, who are bidding the price to go higher. So we want to see price break the above or below to continue the movement. At this point, all you need to do is just for you to wait, just for you to wait, just for you to wait and avoid this market. Yeah, that is it. So we go over to the next one, which is the almighty gold, which is the almighty gold. Oh guys, sorry guys, I was using this to illustrate something to someone today. I was teaching, all right. So yes, like I drew on this line, sorry, like I drew this structure, gold has been maintaining a bullish structure, though last week we had a major pullback, right? Had a major pullback, price dropped massively. So this past week has not been good on gold. For those who trade gold, they will testify. So it was only on Monday that we experienced a good movement. Then after that, the price has been messy. Because once price is dropping, is selling on gold, it's not always favorable for the buyers. Not always favorable. So, and on gold, we are I'm more of like expecting the buys than the sell. So, and I was trying to hop in on this market and it took me out several times. Yeah, so we can see from a weekly time frame here that we have price dropping. So although the past 2 weeks have been very bullish, now price rejection. We can see this is a inverse pin bar or shooting star. All right, how price dropped. All right, dropped from that weekly. You can see this is hammer, inverted hammer drop down to this zone. And at this zone price dropped, you can see that this was a previous resistance. Yes, it got broken to form a support here. Boom, made a new all-time high. Came back down here, form a support. All right, bounce back to this zone, drop back here again, form the support. On the daily time frame, we are seeing this hammer candlestick. Hammer candlestick. And when you see this type of candlestick, what does it tell you? Simply tells you that the buyers are coming into the market. They are about to take over the market. So let's see what happens in the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, we can see that price is clearly giving us that price action, that structure. Just like I have marked here, we can see that we had like three touches in this zone. We have this first touch was this after price. See, just observe after price broke from this resistance. You all can see price broke from this, then dropped down here, tapped into that zone, came back. Nearly it did not appear, but it took from this demand, went back up, dropped again, then tap into the zone, taking out this liquidity, tapped into the zone, went up again, rejected from this level, rejected from this level, then dropped the third time. And you guys, the third touch in the forex market is always it always has a very positive impact on the movement of price too. All right. So this is just, it's not like it is a confirmation of what is going to happen, but it is more likely to cause the price to push to move at that point. So because here touch first time, second time, the third touch. This third touch, look at what happened. You see that the 4 hours time frame, we are having this bullish, strong, long body of candlestick engulfing this uh engulfing this hammer candlestick pattern. All right, this hammer candlestick pattern is showing us a bullish structure. This engulfing candlestick as well is also showing us an engulfing candlestick. And look at my moving average. Price has broken past this moving average. So I want price to break above, come and retest this zone, all right, and also retest and also reject from the moving average. Moving average, I'm not using it as a main confluence, but I'm using it as an additional confluence, okay, to take this trade. So I want price to come back down to this zone or tap into this zone once more. Once price can give me that tap, then we can continue to buy the price up. All right. I'm gonna go down to 1 hour time frame for you guys to see what happened here actually. So let me put back my line so you guys can see what happened here. So after this drop, sorry, this drop price has rejected off of this zone. So we have major key resistance and key support now. So the question will be, who will take over the market? So for me, I will always vote for the buys on gold. Why? From a higher time frame, we are bullish. All right, then here we have rejected like 3 times now. Also, the resistance has rejected from this level over 1 to 3 times. So, but the buyers, I am looking more of the buyers. So, but we want to wait to get a clear confirmation before we take the trade right here. Want to wait for price to give us a retracement, a break above retracement, then for us to continue bidding the price up. All right. So with that being said, that is all I am looking for on gold. If price now, and again, if price, guys, if price fails to break this level and gives us a resistance right here, then we're gonna be selling it down. All right. Or price breaks below this level, then we are gonna be targeting the next low for sure. That will be around, I'm gonna mark it, that should be around 3,000 level, 2980 levels. All right. So these are the things which I am going to be looking out for on gold. I want to be looking for price to either break this retest back for me to buy, all right, or price to break below this level for us to continue to sell. Boom. So yeah, we go to NASDAQ, NAS100. I'm just gonna do this first, then we are good to go. So I want you guys to take a look at what is happening here. I'm gonna delete all these stuff real quick. All right, so let's go over to the weekly time frame just as usual. I think this is a good opportunity, a good buying opportunity on NASDAQ right here. So we see price as I'm marking this support and resistance level. I want you guys to take a look at what is happening here or what has happened in these levels. Quickly, I'm gonna change it so there is no it's not a rocket science. There is no magic I am doing here. I am only marking out the support and resistance Real quick, guys, I want you guys to see these movements. They are the same, right? High, low, pick, come back down, him, come back down, give us a sale, sale, continue, sale, continue, sale, continue, sale. We want to see that continuation. The next target we are targeting is around 26K, 25K. Definitely. That is where the price will be heading to in this next move. You all can see it very clearly how price after this drop broke the structure, came back, tested, continue. Look at again, price break this structure, break the sale line, came back, retested, continue. Break this zone, retested, continue. All right. After this drop, break the structure, came back, retested, continue. Right. So you guys just watch. Break this structure, came back, retested, continue. Very simple, easy. Break the structure, retest the structure, continue. Break the structure, rotate the structure, continue. This has been happening like that. All right. So we are not expecting much change. Already price has changed from is changing right now. The buyers are dominating. Why did I say so? Price has stopped here. First, this was the last move, past movement. This was in 2024, January low, the first low in January. All right. Price tapped into that zone. The buyers got in around the 16K level, got in over 2 weeks now. Price has regained its strength, right? You see this long tail, big body showing us a massive impact on the buyers, right? And then price drop, broke this then trend line, came back, rejected. You can see the rejection, sorry, retraced or pull back into the trend line, which is this red line, then gave us an engulfing candlestick showing us the showing us that the sellers, the buyers are taking over. So look at what happened. This was the trend line. Price broke this trend line, came back, tested into that zone, that demand zone. Now we are heading up. All right. So we want to wait again. Want to mark another structure right here. We want to wait and see what is going to happen already because we have seen a shift of structure. Right. Want to wait. We have seen a shift of structure right here. Price has broken this high. All right, this candle is higher than this candle. All right, so now we want to wait to see if we can get a pullback right below in this zone, right, for us to continue buying up. We want to just wait, keep an eye to see what is going to be happening at that zone. So if I mark my trend line, not really like we are using the trend line, but if we mark our trend line, we can see that we have gotten some kind of bullish structure forming up right here. So we can see that this was the high or the resistance level which got broken. All right, here, this was the key level. Price broke this key level, it tested to continue. Likely we might see consolidation, okay, on this level, price consolidate, then pushes up. All right, we might see something of that nature here. Likely, right? I'm gonna go back here again. Then we can see price. Maybe we can see something of this nature then before price go up, or maybe we can see price coming back down here, rejected from this uh moving average, then to continue going up. So either these two things is likely to happen. But for this week, we are bullish on Nasdaq, right? So yeah, this is two things which I am expecting on Nas100. Expecting either price can come down, give us a discount, all right, to continue, or price can just consolidate a little bit, All right, accumulate price, then continue to go up. So yeah. So with that being said, guys, that will be the end of this week market analysis. I don't want to spend more time. I think I spent 20 minutes on this video or more. So I believe this is gonna help you guys to trade profitably this week. All you need to do is to be patient. All right, you have to be patient. Wait for your setup, follow your plans, and you're gonna win. All right. I want to see you all at the top because the bottom is too crowded. Keep believing in yourself, keep hoping, keep working hard, be disciplined, right? Motivation without discipline will not take you anywhere. You have to be disciplined, follow your plan, all right? And let's see you win, all right? Do well to subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay, the broker which I use, all right, the best broker. The link is in the description. Register, get your account funded, join my free Telegram channel where uh I drop my signals for free. Free signals, free signal. All right, and let us go. All right, peace out, guys. It's your boy Big Forest. Love you all. One love. Let's go.